Hello everyone, welcome to Jaya Sharma YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to share you about MBA first year all subjects syllabus, and all these subjects are applicable for the students who are studying in Andhra University and some colleges which are belongs to Andhra University. So now MBA first year first semester subjects and with syllabus I am telling and sharing in this video. So MBA first semester we are having perspective of management subject. In that subject we are having 5 units. Perspective management. Unit 1 is management, evaluation of management, thought, principles of management, functions of management, social responsibility of management. Unit 2 is planning, nature, purpose and importance of planning, types of plans, steps in planning, planning premises and forecasting, process of decision making, decision tree analysis. Unit 3, organization, principles of organization, formal and informal organization, types of organization structure, line and staff relations, delegation, decentralization, span of control. And unit 4 is directing, leadership theories, styles, motivation theories, Maslow's theory and Herzberg's theory. Unit 5, control, importance, steps, process, techniques, PERT, CPM and total quality management. This is the first subject, which is perspective of management. Okay. Next, second subject, accounting for management. Here also we are having 5 units, and the first unit is accounting for management, nature and scope, management process and accounting, financial accounting versus cost accounting versus accounting for management, role of account in modern organization. Unit 2, financial accounting system, general accepted accounting principles, accounting standards governing financial statements, contents of profits and loss account, balance sheet. Unit 3, elements of cost and cost sheet preparation, absorption versus marginal costing, cost volume, profit analysis, cost behavior, break-even analysis, contribution approach, profit planning. Unit 4, cost concepts for decision making process, decision situation, sales and volume decisions, pricing and special order pricing, make buy decisions, product decisions, addition, deletion and alternate of mix, plant shutdown decision. Unit 5, budgeting, types of budgets, financial versus operation budget, short term versus long term budgets, preparation of sales budget, purchase budgets, expenditure budgets and material, labor, overheads, construction of cash budget, flexible budget, master budget, management control and budgeting, performance budgeting and zero based budgeting. Second subject is completed. This is the third subject. Okay, I will write here as third subject. Okay, and here this accounting is second subject and we completed that also, and this perspective management is first subject. Okay, our third subject, business environment. Business environment. Here also we are having 5 units. Business environment, components and significance, socio-cultural, economic, legal, political, technological and external factors influencing business environment, dimensions of international business environment and challenges. Unit 2, structure of Indian economy, economic systems, economic planning with special reference to last 3 plans, public, private, joint and cooperative sectors, multinational corporations, impact of multinational corporations in Indian economy. Unit 3 is industrial policies of the government, policy resolutions of 1956 and 1991 and subsequent changes, monetary and fiscal policies, export and import policies with reference to latest policies. Unit 4 is public sector, small industry in India, past, present, and future of public sector, performance, problems, privatization, disinvestment, SEZs, their roles, role of SSIs, procedure for establishing SSIs, role of DICs, problems of SSIs, sickness in SSIs. And Unit 5, stock markets, SEBI, its rules and regulations, stock exchange, functions of stock exchanges, primary and secondary markets, Competition Act 2002, competitiveness, foreign exchange management act, social responsibilities, ethics in business. That is your third subject in MBA first semester. First year, first semester. This is the fourth subject, managerial communication. Okay. Managerial communication, also we are having 4 units. Unit 1, role of communication in business, objective of communication, the process of human communication, media of communication, written communication, oral communication, visual communication, audio visual communication, silence, developing listening skills, improving non-verbal communication skills, understanding cultural effects of communication. Unit 2 is managing, friends, here it's unit 2 which is managing organization communication, formal informal communication, intra and personal communication, model for interpersonal communication, exchange theory, Zohari window and transactional analysis. Unit 3 we are having, this is unit 2, and unit 3 is managing motivation to influence interpersonal communication, interpersonal perception, role of motion in interpersonal communication, communication styles, barriers of communication, gateways to effective interpersonal communication. And unit 4, business writing skills, significance of business correspondence, essential of effective business correspondence, business letters and forms, oral presentation, meetings, telephone communication, use of technology in business communication, email messages. And unit 5 is report writing, meaning and significance, structure of reports, and negative, persuasive and special reporting, formal, informal report proposals, formal reports, organization of press report. So this is our fourth subject, which is managerial communication. Now the fifth subject is managerial economics. Fifth subject is managerial economics. Here also we are having 5 units. Introduction, nature and scope of managerial economics, objectives of the firm, traditional theory, sales and revenue maximizing theories, managerial theories, and behavioral theories, profit maximization versus wealth maximization. And unit 2 is demand analysis, demand meaning, determinants of demand, demand function, law of demand, elasticity of demand, price, income, cross and promotional or advertising elasticity of demand, managerial uses of elasticity of demand, demand forecasting methods for existing and new products, criteria for good forecasting method. And unit 3 is production analysis, production function, law of variable promotions, isoquant and iso cost curves, least cost combination and returns to scale, economies of large scale, Cobb-Douglas production function and constant elasticity of substitution production function, cost concepts and cost-oriented pricing methods. Next, unit 4 is market analysis, price and output determination under perfect competition, profit meaning and profit theories, profit planning measurement. Unit 5 is economic optimization, economic problems and optimization techniques, unconstrained and constrained optimization, unbounded maximum optimization of functions of one variable, and optimization of multivariate function. That is our fifth subject. Now we are with our sixth subject, sixth one in your first semester. Remember that this is sixth one, organizational behavior. Meaning and scope of OB, challenges and opportunities, foundations of individual behavior, values, attitude, job satisfaction, personality, perception and emotions. Unit 2 is motivation theories, group dynamics, leadership styles. Unit 3 is organizational conflict, causes, consequences and conflict. See, as I said, this is sixth one, conflict and negotiation. Unit 4 is organizational change, change process, resistance to change and organizational development. Unit 5 is organizational culture, creating an ethical organization, managing stress, organizational effectiveness. Next, this is your seventh subject in your, which is very important subject in your first year, first semester subject, because this subject is having some mathematical problems to solve. So please pay more concentration on this subject, which is very important in your MBA first year, first semester. Quantitative techniques for management. Some of the units and sums have been explained in our channel, so please go through those videos if you have any doubts. So here the first unit is functions, linear, quadratic, logarithmic and exponential functions, permutations and combinations, matrices, solving system of equations with matrix methods, differentiation and integration of simple functions and their application. Unit 2 is measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, simple correlation and regression analysis, concept and applications of multiple regressions. Unit 3 is concept of probability rules, joint and marginal probability, Bayes theorem, probability distributions, binomial, Poisson, normal and exponential probability distribution. Unit 5 is sampling distributions, estimation, point and interval estimates of average and proportions of small and large samples. Concept of testing, hypothesis 1, sample test of testing, mean and proportion of large and small samples. Unit 5 is test 2, samples, test of difference between mean and proportions of small and large samples. Chi-square test of independence and goodness of fitness, analysis of variance. So these are the 5 units, and these are the 7 subjects in your MBA first year, first semester subjects, and also with syllabus. And in the first year, important subjects that you should pay more concentration on: quantitative technique subject and also managerial communication subject. These both we have to pay more concentration on it. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding quantitative techniques, please check our videos as I have made for you. And also, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you like this video, it will be encouraging for me so that I can do more videos. So please like, share and also subscribe. If you have any doubts regarding video, syllabus, anything, please mention in comment section. Okay, thank you friends.